Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a border pass for traveling from Laos to Thailand. This border pass is an alternative to a Lao passport and makes crossing the border much easier. You just need to scan the barcode each time you travel. I'll guide you step by step through the process so you will know exactly what to do. It is located inside the fence of the headquarters of public security in Vientiane City. I parked my car outside and walked in. It's just a short walk. There are plenty of parking spaces both outside and inside the fence. The building you need to go to is the small one on the right. Once you walk inside the building, you can buy the application form at the counter on the right. Each form costs 2,000 kip. The details you need to fill in on the application form include your full name, date of birth, place of birth, current home address, ID number, date and place of issue, family book number with its date and place of issue, your height, hair color, eye color, telephone number, and finally, your signature. After completing the application form, bring it along with 2 photos and a copy of your family book or ID card. You will also need to show the original family book to the staff. Submit everything at the booth on the left side of the building, which is located right in front. There is a copy machine available in case you need photocopies, and the fee is 2,000 kip per set. Here, the staff will check all your documents and stamp them. Then bring all of these documents back into the building to the counter in front of you as soon as you walk in. This counter is located on the far left. Here you will need to pay the fee. I paid 90,000 kip and received an appointment receipt to come back on September 17, 2025, which is about 3 days later since I submitted on September 15, 2025. On September 17, I needed to come at 3:30 p.m. to counter number 4. คำแนะนำการประกอบเอกสารเฮ็ดปึ้มและใบผ่านแดนเขียนคำห้องให้ครบถ้วนตามแบบฟอร์มที่กำหนดไว้สัมมโนครัวหรือบัตรประจำตัวของแท้พร้อมด้วยก๊อปปี้กรณีสัมมโนครัวบ่มีรูปติดมีรูปติดแต่บ่ได้ประทับตาแม่นให้เฮ็ดใบยั่งยืนที่อยู่ติดคัดมาพร้อมรูป 3x4 จำนวน 2 ใบพื้นสีขาวถ่ายบ่เกิน 6 เดือน Documents you need to bring are the completed application form, a copy of your family book or a copy of your ID card, and make sure to bring the original to show the staff. 2 3x4 photos with a white background taken within the last 6 months. You need to bring this receipt with you on the appointed day to receive your border pass. The staff will not issue the border pass if you don't have it. แจ้งถึงทุกท่านที่มาพัวพันเอาปึ้มกรุณาถือบิลนัดมาพร้อมทุกครั้งหมายเหตุถ้าหากบ่มีบิลจะบ่สามารถให้ปึ้มThe border pass is valid for 1 year. It has 32 pages which are used for stamps each time you cross the border. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to make a border pass. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.